Do you want to know how my students have been working towards making $100,000 a year in real estate without ever buying a property? Wholesaling real estate is a strategy that people are using to go out there and find deeply discounted properties. These are properties that normally can't sell through the traditional methods because of the poor condition of the properties. So as a wholesaler, we connect with these homeowners and we get them to agree to a wholesale price without having real estate agents in the middle. But if you're a real estate agent, this is a strategy that can actually help you get more clients. Once the homeowner agrees to sell the property at a discounted wholesale price, then we connect it to a cash buyer and we get paid for being in the middle. The best part is that wholesalers make 10% of the value of the property. So if you wholesale a $300,000 house, the wholesaler makes $30,000. So go ahead, click on the link below and sign up to the free training that I'm going to do, where I'm going to show you how to become a real estate wholesaler in Canada in the next 30 days. And if you're sitting to yourself saying, why should I listen to you? My name is Tony and I'm from Vancouver, Canada. And I've been using this strategy to wholesale houses all across the USA and Canada. So go ahead, click on the link below.